Hi, this is a template I made through Templater with some code that allows me to ask for information at the creation of a new note. I'm gonna show you some cool things I do with this along the Make.md plugin. So let's create a new note from a template by pressing Alt-N and select Knowledge Sheets right here. And it asks me for the title of the note, so I'm gonna add any title I want, any title, for example. It asks me then for software, I'm gonna say Blender. For categories, sculpting and dynamic topography, Dynotopo. And does it contain a video tutorial or not? I'm gonna add a YouTube link later in the note, so I'm gonna say yes. Here we have our fresh new notes with some properties, and it automatically moves it inside my case folder right here. But the cool thing about this is the context view of Make.md that shows me every note inside my folder. And with the 0.7.3 version of the plugin, you can see this icon. That is a setting window for properties and layout. And I can add any metadata I added with my prompt as a property. So I can add like video tutorial and show it up. You can see on the left, it shows up well if there is a video tutorial or not. And I can see my categories. So let's hide video tutorial. And you can see I'm not really satisfied of how my categories are displayed on the left. So I just need to right click on the categories, change the type to option and multiple. And you can see it displays really well. And with this, I can add easily any category of a note to another. So I basically can add the sculpting category to any of the other node because I added it to the options through my new any title node. I can add any metadata I want, so let's say date and tag. I'm gonna show up a tutorial video again, and then I can leave the window and my table shows up really well. It works with all views. So if I go to card views, I have every new properties showing up. But let's say I'm not satisfied about the columns order, so I can drag it right here, or I can set it up in the layout window. So let's say I'm gonna have my file first after the preview. Let's put created at last, and then the tag for the software, the categories, and does it have a video tutorial. Here I have what I basically want as my table for my knowledge sheets.